Hey friends, if you wish to fix pin error 0xd000a002 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. The resolution is basically to create the NGC folder. So go to this PC, C drive, and then go to Windows, and then go to the services profile folder. Now you'll have to make sure that the hidden folders are visible. Click on view, show, and then hidden items. Okay, and then select the service profile folder. Okay, RST. Yeah, now go to local services and app data. Local services, now you need permission, and then go to app data, and then go to local and Microsoft. Okay, now you'll find the NGC folder here. You can right click on this folder and select delete, and obviously you'll need permission for it. So either do it through the administrator account, but if it doesn't exist, then you can create it. Okay, we'll just check what we have in this folder. If you don't have it, we will create new folder and name it NGC and hit enter. Okay, now since it already exists, I'm unable to create it, but you have to create a new folder in that sense. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.